Your car's engine isn't old, it's just angry. When it sputters through rush hour, gulps fuel like a thirsty marathoner, or refuses to cooperate on a cold morning. More than 90% of engine failures stem from neglected maintenance, skipping oil changes, letting sludge build up around pistons, and pretending that rough idle will go away on its own. The good news is that you can transform a cranky clunker into a smooth-running beast without miracle potions or dealership prices. With a handful of simple, smart hacks, many of which big service chains hope you never learn, you can make your engine run like new again. The last tip could even save you thousands of dollars. Let's dive in and show your engine some love. The throttle body is the gateway that regulates how much air enters your engine. As the miles rack up, it collects carbon deposits and oily residue that choke airflow, which causes rough idling, delayed throttle response, and poor fuel economy. Fortunately, restoring smooth breathing is easier than it sounds. You don't need a mechanic's toolbox. All it takes is a $10 can of throttle body cleaner and about 15 minutes of your time. Start by turning off the engine and disconnecting the battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Locate the throttle body, it sits where the air intake hose connects to the engine, and loosen the hose clamp to remove the hose. Inside, you'll see the throttle plate, a round metal disc that opens and closes to let air in. Carbon and grime will appear as black or brown buildup around the plate and housing. Spray the cleaner generously inside, then use a soft toothbrush or cloth to gently wipe away the deposits. To reach every surface, manually open the throttle plate or have someone press the gas pedal so you can clean both sides thoroughly. After a good scrub, let everything air dry, reconnect the hose and battery, and start the engine. It may idle roughly for a few minutes as the computer recalibrates, but once it settles, you'll notice smoother acceleration and a stable idle. Unless you find cracks or corrosion, cleaning the throttle body every 30,000 miles is sufficient to keep your engine's breathing passages clear. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, measures incoming air so the engine's computer knows how much fuel to inject. When the sensor is coated with dust or oil, it sends inaccurate data and causes poor performance, misfires, and bad fuel economy. Keeping it clean ensures the fuel mixture stays precise. To clean the MAF sensor, first locate it on the intake tube near the air filter housing and unplug the electrical connector. Carefully remove the sensor. It's delicate, so handle it gently. Only use a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner. Other solvents can leave residue or damage the sensor. Spray the cleaner directly on the sensor's wires or film and avoid touching or scrubbing it, because oils from your fingers can ruin the component. Allow the sensor to air dry completely before reinstalling it. Do not use compressed air or heat to speed up the drying process. Once dry, reinstall the sensor in the intake tube, secure it with screws, and plug the electrical connector back in. Cleaning the MAF sensor every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or whenever you replace your air filter, helps your engine maintain smooth power and optimal fuel efficiency. Just as you breathe better with clean lungs, your engine needs clean air to run efficiently. The air filter catches dust, dirt, and debris before they enter the combustion chamber. When it becomes clogged, the engine has to work harder to draw in air, leading to less power, slower acceleration, and higher fuel consumption. To check the filter, pop the hood and locate the air filter box, usually a black plastic case near the engine connected to the intake hose. Unscrew or unclip the box and remove the filter. Hold it up to a light source, and if you can't see light through it, it's clogged. If it's only dusty, blow it out with compressed air from the clean side toward the dirty side to prevent pushing debris deeper. If the filter looks dark, greasy, or damaged, replace it with a new one. Reinstall the filter in the box, making sure it sits properly, then secure the lid. Clean or replace your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, and more often if you drive in dusty or polluted environments. Checking the air filter at every oil change ensures your engine breathes freely and maintains optimal performance. Not all fuel is created equal. Cheap gasoline often contains fewer detergents and more impurities that leave behind deposits on injectors, valves, and pistons. Over time, these deposits reduce efficiency and power. Choosing high-quality, top-tier gasoline keeps the fuel system cleaner and your engine running smoother. Always use the octane rating specified in your owner's manual. Using a lower octane than recommended can cause knocking, while using a higher octane than necessary offers little benefit and costs more. To provide extra protection, pour a bottle of quality fuel system cleaner, such as Tektron or Seafoam, into your tank every 3,000 miles. These additives dissolve varnish and carbon deposits that regular fuel detergents can't remove. While premium fuel and additives may cost a bit more, they help preserve your engine's longevity and save you from expensive repairs down the road. Fuel injectors are crucial for engine performance because they deliver fuel as a fine mist for efficient combustion. Even with good fuel, deposits can build up in the injectors and disrupt the spray pattern, leading to misfires, reduced power, and increased emissions. A professional injector cleaning uses specialized equipment to flush out these deposits and restore proper spray. If you choose to tackle this task yourself, begin by turning off the engine and disconnecting the battery. Disconnect the fuel pump relay to stop fuel flow. Attach a professional fuel injector cleaning kit to the fuel rail and fill the canister with the recommended cleaning solution, pressurizing it according to your vehicle's specifications. And fill the canister with the recommended cleaning solution, pressurizing it according to your vehicle's specifications. Block the fuel return line if your car has one. Start the engine and let it run on the cleaning solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the solution is consumed, reconnect the fuel pump and battery and start the engine normally. After a professional cleaning, the engine should idle more smoothly and respond better when you press the accelerator. This service is typically recommended every 30,000 miles or sooner if you notice signs of clogged injectors. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in your engine. Over time, they wear out, leading to misfires, rough running, and poor fuel economy. Faulty ignition coils can also cause similar symptoms. Following your vehicle's maintenance schedule, inspect and replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals, often between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, though some high-performance engines require more frequent changes. Always use the type of spark plug specified by the manufacturer. Using the wrong plug can negatively affect performance. During replacement, inspect the ignition coils for cracks or signs of wear, such as carbon tracks. Tighten the new plugs to the proper torque setting to avoid stripping threads or leaving plugs loose. A healthy ignition system ensures consistent combustion, maximizing both power and efficiency. Neglecting this inexpensive maintenance can lead to costly repairs down the line. Engines operate within a specific temperature range. When the cooling system fails to regulate heat, parts can warp, gaskets can blow, and the engine can even seize. Regularly maintaining the cooling system protects your engine from overheating and costly damage. First, check the coolant level by looking at the overflow reservoir. It should be between the minimum and maximum marks. Top up with a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and distilled water if needed, following the specifications in your owner's manual. Inspect the radiator and heater hoses for cracks, bulges, or leaks, and replace any that appear worn or brittle. Flush and replace the coolant according to your vehicle's schedule, often every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, to remove contaminants and restore corrosion inhibitors. Examine the radiator cap's rubber seal. If it's cracked or fails to hold pressure, replace the cap to maintain proper system pressure. Always allow the engine to cool completely before opening the radiator cap to avoid burns from pressurized steam. By staying on top of these checks, you'll keep your engine's temperature under control and extend its lifespan. Carbon deposits accumulate inside the engine on valves, pistons, and intake components, particularly if you frequently take short trips or use low-quality fuel. These deposits impede airflow and disrupt combustion, causing sluggish acceleration, rough idle, poor fuel economy, and knocking. Cleaning carbon buildup restores smooth operation. You can use fuel additives designed to break down deposits in the combustion chamber by adding them to your fuel tank every few thousand miles. For deeper cleaning, professional intake cleaning services spray specialized cleaners directly into the intake tract to dissolve stubborn gunk. In engines with direct fuel injection, walnut shell blasting may be necessary to remove heavy deposits from intake valves. It involves blasting crushed walnut shells to scour the carbon away. Performing a carbon cleaning every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, especially on direct injection engines, helps keep the engine running smoothly and efficiently. Modern vehicles have sophisticated onboard diagnostics that monitor engine performance. Ignoring warning signs is like ignoring your body's signals when you're ill. Investing in a basic OBD2 scanner or visiting a trusted mechanic for regular diagnostics allows you to catch small issues before they become major repairs. Scanning the vehicle every few months can reveal trouble codes even if the check engine light hasn't turned on, and help you spot failing sensors or exhaust problems early. Addressing these issues promptly saves time, money, and stress. Make it a habit to keep an eye on warning lights and investigate any unusual noises or performance changes immediately. Early detection is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to prolong your engine's life. There you have it, 9 game-changing secrets that will help your engine run like it just rolled out of the showroom. None of these tasks require advanced skills or a huge budget. Remember, your engine isn't truly old, it simply needs attention. Take these steps and you'll breathe new life into your vehicle while saving yourself from hefty repair bills. If you found this script helpful, be sure to share it with friends, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more honest automotive advice. Keep your engine purring and drive safe.